back, guys. So today we're going to do a Mexican torta de carne asada. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this. All right, let's go ahead and add our oil. Now we're going to add our meat that we got at the meat market, already cut, ready to roll. Our next step is going to add some seasoning. And we're probably going to add more later. Seasoning of choice, Johnny seasoning. So right now we're cooking it at high temps, and then a little bit later we're going to lower it down to medium low. Now our bread that we're going to be using today, we got this at the Mexican meat market. They also sell Mexican bread, and this is what we got for the tortas. Pretty much what we're looking for to make sure the meat is done is making sure all the meat is gray, like a gray color. Then you know your meat is pretty much done. Alright, now that it's almost ready, we can turn it down to medium low. Now that pretty much everything is gray, let's taste it for the season. Definitely needs more. So I'm going to put these two very low because I'm going to do the bread here. Let's go ahead and cut our bread because they're not cut. Bam. And add some butter. Oh yeah. Let me bring in the dome. Let's flip them. So what I'm going to do, I got some homemade beans here. Yeah, just like that. Oh, look at that. Then we're going to grab this meat and just bring it in like this. Doesn't that look good? Okay, but we ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. Go ahead and put some avocados in there. Look at that. Just want cilantro? A little bit of cilantro. A little bit of onions. A little bit of onion. Top it off, some salsa. Oh, it won't come out like I planned. Look at that, green salsa. This one you don't have to, but I like a little crunch on mine. Just like that. Ooh. And let's go put it in there. Just like that. Look at that. Oh yeah. We'll be back. All right, here you guys go. Make sure you guys give a like. Make sure you guys subscribe. Check out these videos, and I will see you guys next time.